Hey all, thanks for coming back to my channel. So this is a hair review on this beautiful water wave hair from Ishow hair. This is not, and I repeat, it is not an AliExpress vendor. It is a place that have their own store. So I'm just going to tell you about it, and all the links and everything will be in the down bar. So just stay tuned. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I wanted to bring a quick video review of this hair that I have on my head, which is from Ishow hair. I didn't do an unboxing. I don't do an unboxing with all of the reviews, and I didn't really do one with Ishow because it was really nothing much to show. It really literally came in like a bag that had Ishow hair on it, and I left it upstairs. These are the specs of the closure that I got. Was this length, and the bundles were 18, 16, 18, 20, just like that. Very, very simple. And I absolutely love how I ordered that because it kind of goes up in like a stack and kind of just gets bigger as it goes up. This is the Brazilian water wave hair, and I am absolutely loving it. Now, as I said in one of my other reviews with one of the curly hairs that I had, it was kind of a more kinky, jerry curly hair. It didn't tangle as I was unraveling the bundle. Same with this, but it is from another company. This is, again, Ishow hair. And the bundles, when I took them apart, they were just so soft and so easy and so quick that I was able to make the wig. Now, I am not lately sewing my bundles down onto the wig cap because I do not have the time. I am actually using the 30-second bonding black glue that I get from my local beauty supply, and it is working perfectly. The hair is very solidly on there, and yes, I washed the hair. I wet it and I put it in front of a fan, and there's nothing in here that's loosened, and I actually know that I get the actual wefts wet. So it's working fine for me, and just wearing the hair every day is working fine. It is hot, and I just kind of wanted to go through the hair and just kind of tell you about it. Now, it is extremely soft. It does it does come in like a more of a 1B texture, 1B color. It doesn't say 1B, but it is a little bit lighter than my hair. My hair is very black. I like that. I like the fact that it's soft. It did not have a smell out of the pack at all. Tangling, there is no tangling. I've had this in today for a couple of hours, and I mean, I don't want to say no tangling because I guess curly hair just gets probably a little bit snagged, so it is a little bit snagging, but it is so super soft. There's no matting so far. I will have updated videos just to let you know how I'm still loving it. The pricing on it seems to be very, very reasonable, and the hair is just really, really awesome. Now, as far as shedding is concerned, I expected shedding because I do cut each and every weft as I go up the hair, and I would not say that the closure is shedding at all. Now, I do plan on bleaching the knots. I did not bleach the knots, and I am using a little bit of concealer just to kind of make it look a little more natural apart, but I said I'll probably bleach the knots on this one because I am absolutely loving it. I'm loving it like the other curly hair that I have, and I get so many compliments when I wear this hair. Like, it looks really, really natural, and I'm really, really enjoying it. The company is very, very polite. I mean, a lot of you say that they're probably polite because, you know, they're giving this hair to us to review, but I haven't really seen any bad reviews. But I encourage everyone to always do their own research to look to see how other people are being treated that is actually not doing it for the company. They're doing the review, you know, just for you all, just for themselves as well. So would I buy this hair with my own money? Probably. I absolutely love this hair. There are many other companies, you know, out there. If you want to pay that money, then pay it. But I think that this is worth the money. I think it's something that will last you, especially if you take care of it. Now, curly hair, and this again is water wave, is a little more higher maintenance. A lot of people don't like their hair getting big like this. I, on the other hand, like my hair getting dry and a little bit big. When I first wet it, it's, like that. And it's cute, but I don't love my hair flat. I probably will wear it like that from time to time, but I like it when it gets dry. I put it in front of a fan after I wash it and just let it just get bigger. So that's just how I like my curlier hair. So that's pretty much it of the video. If you have any comments, concerns, you know, list it down below. I'll have all the links and everything down below. And that's pretty much it of the review. And I'll come to you probably in another month just to let you know how I'm still enjoying it. And I'll see you in another video.